how to grab your viewers' attention visually. Confidence cocktails for video fame. Get your shot of courage, step up your video game. Get known, like, trusted, and you will shine.
Shine, baby, shine online. Confidence cocktails. Clink, ka-ching. Your viewers only give you seconds to prove to them that you're worth watching. Remember, the sound is off. So anything that you can do to visually hook people in is what you have to do within the first 10 seconds of your Facebook Live. Now, let's just say you don't have any like handy hand tricks or goofy faces. Just printing out words on cards is just more interesting than watching somebody talk, a talking head. So anything you can do not to be a talking head is the way to go. You want to show rather than tell on video, because video is a visual medium. So if that means going out onto a boat where water is swooshing by you, then go for it, because it's more interesting to hear you speak under those circumstances because we're watching the water. Of course, the best thing to do is have a lav mic so that all of the sound is going to your mic, which is going to be clipped as close to your mouth as possible. So it's great if you're doing outdoor shots with a lot of noise, put a lav mic on, and if it's windy, make sure your lav mic has a windscreen on it. But you can definitely go outside to a more quiet location where you don't have to shout to be heard. But the point is that you're making it interesting for people to watch you. You're not just a talking head, and you're showing rather than telling. So on that note, when you are painting your brand promise like a painter, you want to make sure that whatever you're doing visually fits your brand. So if your brand is about freedom, then you are walking on the beach or out and about, not strapped to a desk or chained to your 9 to 5. Likewise, if something is really off in your brand where it doesn't represent your brand at all, there's a picture of a bull being massacred to be eaten, and you're a vegan chef. I mean, this isn't going to work out, right? So make sure that you know what your brand promises to your customer, so that A, you can strike the right emotional tone when you go on camera, and B, you can paint your brand visually so that it all makes sense. May you go forth on camera with confidence. Clink, ka-ching.